This is Rebecca from Ornaments by Rebecca. I'm really excited about this. I'm starting to gear into Halloween ornaments and fall ornaments. I know it seems a little weird in July, but when you're making ornaments, we plan ahead, just like the stores plan ahead. And I saw these on Jesse James Beads and absolutely fell in love with them. We've got the disc with the orange and the black and some great pieces in between. And I had this fabric that I was going to make an ornament out of for Halloween, along with some black trim on it. And this is going to be the perfect match for the top, and possibly as some accents on the piece itself. I love this little one down here. I'm going to find a way to use that one way or the other. That is so cool. And these are called Halloween Bead Strand. When I bought them, they were on sale. So go back and check them out. If you need beads for the upcoming Halloween season, you can't miss. These would make great jewelry, great earrings, great anything. What an amazing piece this string is. If you have anything you want to check out, go to jessijamesbeads.com, or you can always contact me. Leave me a message below, and I'll get back to you with an answer as soon as possible. Thanks.